On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you.
Do exercise. They were advised by the doctor to do more exercise. Try to do these exercises at least 3 days a week. Do the crossword. Is doing crossword puzzles good for the brain? I like to sit down and do the crossword. Do somebody's hair. I did my hair last week. Who does your hair? Do somebody's makeup. It takes me 10 minutes to do my makeup in the mornings. I'll do your makeup for you if you want. Do the laundry. She did the laundry and hung it out to dry. I cleaned the kitchen and did some laundry. Do the cooking. Who does the cooking in your house? My mother does all the cooking.
Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.